Walang mangyayaring bago kung wala kang gagawing bago.
Sabi nga ng therapist ko, in order for you to move on, you have to forgive others. Not because naghingi sila ng kapatawaran, but you have to forgive for yourself. Hurt people hurt other people. This, you're responsible to heal yourself. Because no one will do it for you. Hindi yung parents mo, hindi yung kaibigan mo. Ikaw at ikaw ang may responsible para may magbago at mag-heal ang sarili mo.
Healing is a process, and forgiveness doesn't require reconnection.